guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Tanisha. Welcome to my Sundays episode. And today, I'm gonna tell you the story first. So 2 weeks ago I discovered this page. The name was Cooking with Siblings. And like some other page I thought it's something the same, but I stalked them at 1 a.m. in the night. So I watched their recipe videos and their highlights. I saw some pictures on their feed which was very pretty looking and attracted me. I wanted to eat that, but of course I couldn't from the phone. I could only eat it from my phone. So I saw their highlights which were like they were cooking, few of them, and they were really cute. So I went on watching and I wanted to know their names and all. So their names were Punya, Lavanya and Abhyuday. Abhyuday was their little brother and the two sisters. So I loved how with the detailing they were explaining how to make the food. They were also giving substitutes if we didn't have something, and I loved how they were doing everything. After that I also discovered a highlight which said orders. That's when I knew I could order from them. And that very moment at 1 a.m. in the night, I messaged them that I want to order from you. And that's how the food is here, from Cooking with Siblings. And I'm glad I ordered from this place. So now, let's get started. So when I opened the boxes, the smell was like, wow. Just wow. And the packaging was so good, everything came in so well packed, and you know, for a startup, it was something really good. Like, of course, when it's a startup, you expect something here and there was missing and everything, but for them, this is perfect. Like, they're ready to do a full-on business. So being the Indian Punjabi girl that I am, I decided to go with kadai paneer, butter chicken, naan and some lasagna because who doesn't love cheesy stuff now here? And they also sent me an amazing chocolate cake which I'll show you later on in this video. So come on, let's try this. And there are some people I've been waiting to try them. So finally it's an amazing opportunity. So let's try it. So I'm going to go with the kadai paneer first. And it looks delicious. Just don't like food at home again. They're making it at home, and the best part is it's so good. It's like you're having somewhere else. Like it's not like it's home food. It tastes so good. Now I'm gonna go with the butter chicken. Okay. Gravy is yum. I'm totally relishing their food, and again I found another place to order from outside. Okay, actually perfect. The flavors are amazing. The taste is amazing, presentation of course is really good, and it's a 10 on 10. It is like level of Moti Mahal, let's say, that good. I'm not lying on this, it's really that good. And they're literally my age people, they're making so good. This makes me really happy. So now we've tried the Indian food, which is a 10 on 10. Now it's time to try the lasagna. I haven't had lasagna since the lockdown. Let me tell you that. I love it. This is the best food I've had since the okay, hands down to this place. So their name is Cooking with Siblings, and these are 3 siblings. And they're doing wonders together. So I love the kadai puri, the butter chicken, the lasagna, the naan. I mean, there is not a thing which I can say I didn't like or something was missing in it. Sorry, I can't. I just can't say. And I think I'm gonna order really soon from here. So I really recommend all of you to order from this place. I mean, I loved it. I know so many of you are waiting. Where's the cake? Where are the desserts? It's coming, guys. I'm gonna get it from inside and show it to you. And don't forget to go to their page, watch their videos, and watch the little brother Abhyuday. Comment some challenges or tasting or making some fun expressions. It's so interesting to watch these guys doing what they do, like cooking such amazing food. And they have a huge variety, going from Thai to Italian, Indian, like desserts, a lot of it. And I couldn't order everything, of course, so here we have. And I'm getting the cake. My favorite part about the video, cake. Look at this beauty, guys. Come on, look at it. Chocolate fudge cake. So just look at it, chocolate fudge. And I will recommend. Let me be honest, I have to take some beautiful shots first. So I'm tasting it from here. Okay, wow. This is so good. I'm gonna go and take some amazing pictures. These three are basically from Jolly Garden, and if you're anyone staying nearby or far also, I think in Delhi NCR, I guess, so I think you should order from them instead of ordering from some high-end restaurant or somewhere. Like, you should support local businesses. Do order from them and let me know how you like it. Let me know in the comment section if you like this video and want me to do more such videos. So guys, if you enjoyed my video, please hit the like button, hit the bell icon so you never miss a video from Dom Tone All Star. And see you on next Sunday's video. Till then, ta-da!